Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discover one of the most dynamic chart plugins ever. So if you're ready to see how you can create different charts that will match the feel and look of your website, well, let's get started. To make sure that all our plugins working seamlessly on a high-speed website, we're using Cloudways. Cloudways isn't just about powerful cloud hosting though. It's also built to make team collaboration and workflow management super smooth, and that's what I want to highlight. Whether you're working with developers, designers, or clients, Cloudways makes it easy to collaborate securely. You can create multiple team members with customizable access, so everyone gets the permissions they need without compromising your site's security. Plus, with features like staging environments, you can test changes, updates, a new design without affecting your live website. It's a game changer for teams working on fast-moving projects or client sites. And if you're managing multiple projects, Cloudways' intuitive dashboard lets you organize everything in one place. Track server performance, manage domains, and monitor real-time stats effortlessly. With these workflow-friendly tools, Cloudways goes beyond hosting. It helps teams work smarter and faster. And now, let's jump into today's topic. And we're going to use this plugin called Chartify by AYS Pro. And let's first take a look to see what we've got here, and then we'll move on to creating our chart together. Okay, so we have 20 plus charts, amazing, 50 plus settings, and 4 data sources, aka the ways that you can import your data. Okay, so let's go and see what these are. Okay, so we can get data from Google Sheets, SQL Builder, manual data, and CSV data import. Nice, amazing. So we're flexible enough to choose which way we want to import our data. And these are the types. But for that, let's head to this demo that they have. So these are some basic ones: the pie chart, the column chart, the histogram, geo chart. And now what it's got interesting. Okay, so we have organization chart, and we have more demos here. As you can see, it's like 20 plus. And now it's high time to head to our WordPress dashboard and test this together. So I'm already there, and let's add a new one. Okay, so we got to choose any of these. Pretty amazing options actually, and I like this one. It's the Sankey diagram as well, but I'm gonna choose this pie chart, regular one. Okay, let's first name it. Okay. Here we can also customize it if we need, like this is the 3D model. Amazing, but I'm gonna stick to this. Okay, so let's first, the most important part is of course the source. So let's understand how we can import the data or change it, and I will move on to the settings and the styles. Okay, so import data from file. So here we can upload a CSV file. We can connect it to Google Sheets. We need to fill in all these options to be able to connect it to our Google Sheets, because the thing is there is that if you connect it to your Google Sheets and if you make the changes there, it will like dynamically reflect on your chart without you having like to come here and then make the changes, which is very amazing. And that's why actually it's called one of the most dynamic charts ever. Okay, we can also connect it to database, external database, and manual data that we've got here. And we can easily customize these, change the country, add a new one. And let's say 51. And let's preview, and you can see it here. Okay, so now let's head to settings and see what we've got here. So this is the chart status, of course, keep it on enable. You can have a chart description, show the chart title, show the chart description, enable interactivity, by interactivity so that if they can like click, play around with it, enable disable some of them. Okay, and we have this legend here. We can choose where we want to display this legend, either above the chart. Oh, I really like this. But then we have too many options, so I'm gonna choose maybe left. I think this way also pretty fine. Okay, and this is the live chart that we have. And if you enable it, again, they will be able to reflect the changes automatically. Let's head to styles, and here we can customize the width, the position, the height, the font size, the background color, either leave it to transparent background. Okay, I think it's a good option actually, even especially if your website like is not in white theme. Here, let's go to pie settings and see what we have here. Degree of chart rotation, reverse categories, slice border color. If we have, for example, slice, we can also like go here and choose maybe name, I would say. We can disable this as well. But percentages, I think, look fine. These also. Okay, let's stick to this. Etc, etc. So you have like these various options to customize it to your preferences, however you wish, to match it with the look and feel of your website. And that's pretty much it. We now have to go and save and close this. And this is what we need to copy. And we can go to either posts or pages, wherever you want to post this. And we simply need to add it as a shortcode. Let's do that, publish, and view the post. And as you can see it here, pretty amazing. I really like it. Well, that's it about the Chart Builder plugin by AYS Pro. And if you still got any questions concerning it, don't forget to drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.